Hi everyone, this is Janice. I just went out to get the mail, and at my door was my Glossy Box, and I also have a play box. I didn't plan on doing an unboxing today because they weren't due until next week, and right now I thought I'd just do my Glossy Box. For some reason, okay, I have two this month. I got this in the beginning of the month. I don't know if I'm losing my mind and I got December late, but I don't think I did. Because I got this Glossy Box here probably second week of January. And that's the one I was going to review. So I will review that one, not review, open. I haven't used the things yet, so I can't review it. It's been a day. But, as you know, it's a beauty subscription box. And I really like this one. It's $21 a month. And it comes with mainly full-size products, our deluxe samples. It comes in a beautiful pink box most of the time. And beautifully wrapped. I unwrapped this thing. This one had a nice pretty bow on it and tissue paper. And it comes with confetti, strings, paper mache, you name it. Okay. As for the packaging, it also makes it very pretty. It's like getting a gift every month, even though you're paying $21 a month. It's still a gift. Okay, this one this month is called Fresh Face. They always give you a pamphlet and tells you about the products and how to use them. Tells you the full size price, that is. And there is all about it. Okay. Alright. Now, first off, I'm going to pull off is a Steve Laurent lip gloss. I don't believe I've heard of this brand. Maybe. I've been getting these things for a couple years now, so I think I've vaguely heard of it. But anyways, it's called, like I said, Steve Laurent. Laurent. I think I'm pronouncing it right. You know why? Because it's spelled almost like my last name. You leave off the L. You got the A-U-R-A-N-T. And mine's a D instead of a T. And then way back when my ancestors came over here in America, we had the T on the end and dropped it and left the D. Had a D. I don't know if I think we had an A-N-D-T. But I don't know why I'm saying all this stuff. But anyways, Steve Laurent is definitely how you pronounce this. Because that's why I said that. It's really pretty. It's a rose gold. And the name of the color is Dusty Rose. It's really, really pretty. Okay. And it is a lip gloss, so I don't expect it to be very pigmented, but I will swatch it with my finger. And stick it on my hand here. It is sheer, but it's got nice color. And it's really soft. And there's no smell. Well, that's good. I don't mind a little bit of scent, or nice little sweet scent, or very, very light floral. I'm not keen on heavy floral, but it's okay. I don't have any scent. It's not a biggie for me. All right, the next thing I pull out is the Buxom Big T's mascara. Now, this is a sample size, and that lip gloss was a full size. And while I'm at it, I'm going to tell you the prices. That way we kill two birds with one stone. I don't believe in killing birds, okay? I love them. But that's just a saying. Okay, it's $22 for the Steve Laurent. Alright, that's the lip gloss. And for the Buxom Big T's, the full size is $22. And this definitely is not a full size. But like I said, they have a mixture. And this is it. I have lots of mascaras, so I'm out and I'm using and trying. So I don't want to pull this out and show you the brush because it's only got a 6 month shelf life once you open it. So I'm going to save that for some other time. I will use it and tell you how I like it. Okay, the one I'm using now I got in my Boxy Charm, and it's the Tartist. We got that in our special box. It was a an extra luxury box. We paid, I don't know, $49 for. I don't remember, but I didn't review it. I didn't even open it on YouTube. But I love this mascara. I've seen it around, and I don't know. Had never heard that much about it, and I got so many, so I didn't worry about it. But I've got it on today, as you can see. Hopefully, I have nice thick lashes, and this just really brings them out. I don't wear false lashes. I don't think I really need them. Besides, they feel heavy. I keep trying to play around with them, but anyway. Okay, back to opening up this box. Sorry. All right, next up is Dr. Bottomnose, and it looks like it's vegan friendly, and that's the box, of course. This is the jar. It's an eye dropper, kind of a pinkish clear liquid. It's a Moroccan Rose Super Facial Oil. So this is a facial oil. I did need a facial oil. I'm gonna buy one at Sephora, and no, I don't have to. And this one, wow, it's 1 fluid ounce, and that is, see, is that full size? Yes, this is full size. So it is worth $58.50. And okay, like I said, the box is $21, so this is more than paid for the box. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is a Lumineer Purity Dewdrops Hydrating Eye Gel. I haven't even opened this either. I have opened the box, but not this. I don't know why. Was I gonna gift it? There's a reason why I don't remember. But I'm not gonna open that box. Instead, I'll just show you what it looks like. It comes in a tube, and it's a hydrating eye gel. Can you see it there? Okay. Tell you a little bit about it. Bye Bye Dark Circles. Purity Dewdrops revives the delicate eye area while making you look and feel more awake. Featuring natural extracts and Lumineer's advanced Hydra technology, and it will keep your skin moisturized throughout the day. So that is worth $14.99, and this is a full size. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th one, and this is a Marrow Oil Transform Hair Serum. I have quite a few hair serums. I rarely use them, but it's by Theory. Okay. I may also throw that in a giveaway or gift it. I haven't decided yet. Because like I said, I've been getting these boxes for 2 years, and I do try to use everything. But if I feel I'm not going to use it in time for it to get old, I will gift it or put it in a giveaway, which I plan to have. I'm just starting out my YouTube channel here, so I'm a little rocky getting started here. I started about 2 months ago, and finally getting going again. I've been getting over a really bad bout of bronchitis, so. But then there was holidays, all these excuses. Okay, now that one, did I tell you, it's worth $26. Cool, all in all, this is a really good deal, and I actually really enjoyed this month's box. Also, they sent us a little bonus here, and I didn't know what it was, but you open it up, and it's a gift card for $25, and it's from velveteyewear.com. So I went on the website and see what it was, and it's eyeglasses. So you can get these eyeglasses and you get $25 off of them. I won't be using that. I have a prescription, and I just bought these. I have another pair that I wear, so I don't really need them, and I don't wear sunglasses. Anyway, still, someone can use it. Who gets this box? I don't know if I'll give that. I don't know if that's giftable. So all in all, that was a good month. Okay, like I said, I got another box today, and I don't know why. I will open that real quick here for you. Okay, this is my box I got today. And my name's on it, so it's shipped to me. So maybe it's the same box. I don't know. I hope it's different. I haven't even opened it yet, so this is a true unboxing. Alrighty, they have a little pull thingy here. Makes it pretty easy. Sometimes I get that just right. Sometimes I fight with it. Alright, so far it looks like the same box. Throw it over there. Glossy Box. Yay. Oh, let's hope it's something different. No. They gave me 2 boxes. Well, as you can see, same thing's in it. I'll open it up and see. It has a little card. This pamphlet, and I didn't show how pretty it was, did I? Yeah. Anyway, that was in a bow, and it has a little sticky there, so it is really pretty. It looks high class, luxury. Alrighty, pull this off, and alrighty. Did I get this one? So far, everything's the same. Oh, wait. I think this is the same. Let me double check. Yeah. Everything identical. Well, I'll be darned. Huh. That's weird. Okay, well, guess what? We will be gifting this. Now, my daughter's having a birthday Thursday, and she was just complaining that she needed some skincare. So this would be great for her. I don't know if it's a, what do you call it, a promo pack? It could be. I didn't get no letter or nothing. I don't know. Well, if you won't tell anybody, I won't. I'm sure. I don't know. I don't want to be honest, but yeah, I'll find out. I want to probably just email them and ask them. It could be just a promo. Because I love this box, and I let it be known that I do. I canceled a couple times. I keep rejoining, going, why do I keep canceling this? It has skincare, a lot more skincare than makeup. But being 67, I love skincare. That's usually, back a few years ago, all I ever bought, and I only bought a few things of makeup. But I all of a sudden became a makeup junkie, and they have a lot nicer makeup then I realized I just was living in a bubble, I guess. I worked at a factory building trucks, GM trucks, and I wore makeup, but you know, I didn't get it all glammed up, obviously. And then I also am a dog groomer, so I never wore makeup when I groomed dogs, so never had a use of wearing it. And then I don't ever go anyplace fancy. Would love to. I love fancy stuff. But I thought, you know what? I'm gonna start a YouTube channel and just wear it and enjoy it. I hear my puppy getting into something. I think it's just a little toy I gave her. Oh yeah, it is. I gave her a plastic bottle. She loves that thing. It's free. Anyways, I'm gonna sign off for now. Thank you for watching my Glossy Boxes unboxings, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. You know what? I forgot to say. Please subscribe. I see now that we have to have 10,000 subscribers to even qualify for the ads. I never turn my ads on anyway, and it's not why I'm getting into it. If I want to make money in YouTube, I'll probably do some affiliates. I haven't even looked into that, so I'm not making any money. If I get promos, which I don't know, I just started, so you know, that would be nice. But I just thought I'd do it for fun. I'm retired technically. What I mean by that, I'm definitely retired from the shop, but you know, General Motors. But I also own a grooming salon, pet grooming, and I'm doing this for fun. And if I make a little money to help with my retirement, that would be great. But anyways, subscribe, like this video. Please tick that bell for future videos. I promise. This 2018's we call it, I can't think of the word. Senior moment. Resolution. Oh my gosh. Oh. Anyways, to really get this channel going and have fun with it and make new friends. I hope you like me, and if you don't, that's okay. But I will talk to you soon. Bye.